Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in black, it looks great. You do have the Hyundai logo up front with the chrome accenting on your grille. You do also have your projector-style headlights right there with your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims. They look great. You do also have your Komu brand tires, lots of tread still left on them, and the rims look very nice. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle here, we do have our Sport all-wheel drive badging as well as the Santa Fe and the Hyundai. So as long as it's unlocked, you just gotta press this button, open it up. Very nice back here, very spacious. You got some extra mats here as well. You can fold this up and you got your jack under there with some additional storage. And then you can also, if you move these guys out of the way right here, you can fold this up and you got even more storage just underneath there for whatever you might need to. It is very soft as well, so nothing really getting scratched up back here. Okay, we got our keys here. So we got this guy, which does lock it. We got this one to unlock all the doors. That one opens up the back, and you got your panic button there. Plus, you got this other one with the lock, unlock the back, and you also have your remote start. So if you hold it like this, a little button or a little blue light flashes, and then it starts right up for you, especially nice in winter. Get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the gross cold. But let's take a look on the inside here. So let's unlock all the doors. So on the inside, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here, as well as you got your handle here, handle here, as well as a place to put your arm. You also have this guy opens up your gas. You have some storage down here with a water bottle holder, and tons of different buttons over here. So you have your in-cabin light control, you have your downhill assist. You also have your traction control, your eco mode, your heated steering wheel, and your lock there. Very nice interior as well. Looks great, very soft and comfortable. Good for long car trips. You got your controls over your seats here, so you have your backward and your forward, as well as your tilt and your lumbar support. And then over here we do also have the controls over our lights and our turning signals and our high beams. Okay, so you can press that button and flip that out, then just throw it in the ignition and we are good to go. So in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have all sorts of different guys right in the middle. So we do have our, let's turn that down a little bit, we do have our trip A right there, as well as trip B. Then we have our average liters, and then back there we can also switch that around a little bit to our service and all that. Then you have all of your personal options in there as well. Now you have all different kinds of options on your steering wheel: volume up and down, your selector, mute mode, horn in the center, Bluetooth options. That one changes that little window, or just the little screen that I showed you. Then you get your cruise control options right over here, and then over here we do have our options over our windshield wipers, and then we have a little bit of additional storage right up there. A little storage container, looks pretty nice. And then you do have your radio here. So up here you do have your CD player, and then you have your radio. So you have Sirius XM, FM, AM, all that stuff, as well as you have your media if you have one hooked up, your phone if you got one hooked up through your Bluetooth. You got your scan, your clock, as well as your menu here to change all that stuff. Then you have your volume up and down with the power. You have your track, you have your folders, you have your presets, as well as your browser there. And then down here we do have our defrosts, as well as our circulation, hazard lights, AC, your mode, your dial. You have a dual climate system for you and your passenger. This one is the power up and down, the auto, the off. And then down here you do also have your plugins, all sorts of different ones there. Then you do have your gear shift right here as well. You do also have your heated seats here and your park assist. You got some cup holders here, and you also have a bit of additional storage just under there. You can lift this up. You got your center console, lots of stuff in there. It looks great. Then over here we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Looks fantastic. There's lots of room in there. And then up top you do also have your sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have heated seats for the back. You have the control of your window. You have a handle here, a place to put your arm. Got a water bottle holder and some storage. You can also fold this up just like this, and you got kind of a screen, keep the sun out of your eyes. Very nice. Looks great back here, same material as the front. You also have this guy here that does fold down. You got an armrest there if you did need it. It does seat 5 people all together, and you got some magazine holders back here as well. And there is our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.